have very strange hiccups. They sound more like burps, and they're very painful.
Wow.
And the only thing that has actually worked is this straw. So I'm gonna drink it now.
Please let it work.
No hiccups.
Wow.
That's crazy. Guys, look, I'll save a lot of time. I love it. I guarantee you this will become part of everybody's medicine cabinet. Guaranteed,
Yeah.
right? So I'll make you an offer, right? And I just want a yes or no. The offer is $250,000 that you asked for 20%.
I'll do it for 15.
So I went in and picked one up, and let me show you guys how this works. So it has a little hole at the bottom here. So when you put it in water, it generates enough pressure to the point to stop the spasms in your diaphragm, which leads to those hiccups.
Pull it down and keep it there. So for 5 to 10 seconds, these two, the diaphragm and the valve, are closed. The brain resets this cycle, so the spasm stops and it goes away. Wow.
This doctor might have just absolutely changed the game for anyone who constantly has the hiccups. I've never seen anything like it, so I'll go in, I'll add it to the TikTok shop here for you guys. They literally just launched them last week.